In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your favorites on Pinterest. We'll start right at the source. Open your web browser and go to pinterest.com, or launch the Pinterest app on your phone if that's what you prefer. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to use because favorites are tied to your profile. Next, pick any pin that catches your eye. You can browse your home feed, search for something specific, or open a pin from one of your boards. Click or tap the pin to open it fully so you can view its details. Once the pin is open, scroll down the page. You're looking for the option that says Add to Favorites. On some screens it may appear as a star or heart style control, but the wording Add to Favorites is what you want here. Click or tap that, and the pin is now marked as a favorite. Favoriting is a quick way to flag pins you love without moving them to another board. It's separate from the Save button you use to organize pins into boards. Now let's find where all those favorites live. Head to your profile. On desktop, you'll see a navigation area on the left side. Go to your board section there so you're viewing your saved content. From that view, switch to pins. This shows individual pins associated with your account rather than the boards themselves. With the pins view open, look for the favorites option and select it. This filters your pins so you only see the ones you marked as favorites. That's it. You're now looking at your favorites on Pinterest. A few tips before we wrap up. If you don't immediately see Add to Favorites on a pin, make sure you've opened the pin details and scrolled. The option can sit below the main image and description. If the favorites filter isn't visible, double check that you're on your own profile's pins view, not someone else's board. Interface labels can vary slightly between desktop and mobile, and updates may move menus around, so it helps to keep your app updated to the latest version. You can favorite as many pins as you like, and you can unfavorite a pin at any time by opening it again and turning off the favorite option. And there you go. Open a pin, add it to favorites, then go to your profile, switch to pins, and choose favorites to see them all in one place. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.